I just really needed like somewhere to study, and then I realized it was here, so I just started coming up ever since.
We have an online platform called Class Collaboration, and it's like Zoom, and it goes so smoothly. The students love it, especially if they have a busy schedule and they're not able to come in on campus. We have a tutor here for everyone. So whatever area you need help with, come in. It doesn't matter what it is, come in and we can help you with whatever your needs are.
People here are nice. It's a very chill atmosphere, and it's quiet, which I like. Most people, I would say, have like a hard time asking for help. But I think really asking for help, especially from someone else who's experienced, opens your view. I know definitely when I ask for help on a problem that I'm struggling with, they put an input in a way I never saw it before, and it really clarifies everything.